This should be something that is in your toolbox. This is lawn leveling grading box. This right here, you can find on one of our links in the bio. Homeowners like us, we can use this. And I'm just trying to flatten out areas, level out some areas of my lawn. All I'm gonna do is simply take a little bit of this dirt that's behind me. I'm gonna throw it on the lawn in the areas that are not flat. And then I'm gonna use this thing to actually level it out. So it's as simple as make sure you have nice, dry dirt. If you try and do this and you have wet dirt, it's gonna be clumpy, it's not gonna come out easy. But this is nice, dry dirt that I had delivered. This is what you want. Nice, see how it just falls right apart? All I'm gonna do is I'm going to simply throw it on the ground, but throw a couple piles on the ground, anywhere that it's not flat. And I'm simply going to use this tool, and I'm just gonna simply go over it back and forth. Once you do this and it's in the springtime, the grass underneath it is going to grow through it. And that's why you only want to do this during the busy growing seasons for the lawn. So either spring or fall, you don't want to do it in the middle of summer. The grass is already stressed enough during the summertime, so you don't want to do this during the summer. You will kill the lawn. If you only put down, a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of soil in any area, the grass will grow through it in a couple weeks, and you'll be totally fine. There's nothing to worry about after that. And we're just gonna go around the lawn and we're gonna fill in areas that need a little bit of extra love. So take this around. All right, here's a couple spots. Put some here. So now that all of our dirt is laid out, we're just going to flatten it out. So this guy right here, this guy should be in your tool arsenal. If you're a lawn guy and you want a great lawn, no matter what you do, there's going to be parts of your lawn that are going to get holes in it. Whether that's from your dog digging or you just playing outside, you're going to get holes in your lawn. Just because you aerate and seed in the fall doesn't mean that those ruts are going to alleviate themselves. Yes, aeration certainly relieves compaction, but it's not going to make your lawn level again. If you want your lawn level again, you don't take a steamroller and roll over it or a yard roller. All that does is add more compaction to the soil. What you really want to do is get good topsoil brought in and then lay it out and flatten it out.